Residential market analysis and highest and best use, book ending quiz. There's a total of 60 questions. Number 1, a residential property is currently zoned for residential use, but its highest and best use is expected to change to light industrial use within the next 2 to 4 years. The subject property's current use is considered blank. A, illegal non-conforming use. B, transitional use. C, interim use. Or D, temporary use. The answer is C, interim use. And that was an easy one. Number 2, competition in the marketplace is encouraged by A, instability, B, anticipation, C, profit, or D, none of these. The answer is C, profit. Number 3, we generally say that equilibrium is achieved when blank for the product. A, supply and demand support the market. B, demand is slightly more than supply. C, supply and demand support each other. Or D, supply is slightly more than demand. The answer is D, supply is slightly more than demand. And that was a hard one. Number 4, to measure the trends of the market area, the appraiser must ask questions about blank. A, balance. B, all of these items. C, supply. Or D, demand. The answer is B, all of these items. And that was an easy one. Number 5, market value is generally considered equivalent to blank. A, least fee value. B, value in exchange. C, fee simple value. Or D, going concern value. The answer is value in exchange. And that was an easy one. Number 6, the market value of a property is $350,000 and the loan value is $262,500. What is the loan to value ratio? A, 70%. B, 75%. C, 78%. Or D, 80%. The answer is B, 75%. And that was an easy one. Number 7, the process of revitalization of a neighborhood is also called blank. A, renewal. B, gentrification. C, rehabilitation. Or D, update. The answer is B, gentrification. And that was an easier one. Number 8, the special design of the particular structure, such as a church, may contribute to a blank. A, value in use. B, book value, C, insurance value, or D, market value? The answer is A, value in use. And that was a hard one. Number 9, a community's total employment is 58,240. The number of total core industry employees is 36,400. What is the base core multiplier? A, 0.63, B, 1.2, C, 1.6, or D, 1.7? The answer is C, 1.6, and that was an easier one. Number 10, blank land cannot be separated. A, integral, B, extra, C, surplus, or D, express? The answer is C, surplus, and that was an easier one.